here's Tommy. Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Today I'm gonna be leaving you an unboxing because I'm on adventures. So if you like this video, remember to hit the like button. If you haven't yet, consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified of more videos. So I'll leave you to it. Today we're going to be unboxing the iSeeing iMicro Q2 and C lenses. This is a fingertip microscope. Let's open it up. Okay, right away we see the carrying case for the lenses. We can see the two lenses right away and the card that comes with it. On the back we see the QR codes for downloading the apps for the Apple Store and the Google Play Store. Also inside we have the same QR codes. Oh, this one are for the user guide. We have the cards for testing. And let's take out the lenses. Okay, first we have the Q2 and the C. Okay, they're very, very small, but I figure they're the same size mostly as the camera for the iPhone. Oh, they fit really good inside the case. They fit really well. Nice. This you can put on your keychain and carry it with you whatever you want to go, and just take pictures of, I don't know, flowers or maybe leaves or I don't know. I should I usually do the unboxing only, but you know what? I'm gonna do the full preview because really this deserves it. Let's try it out. As you can see with the app, with regular camera, you can see fairly good, and yeah, those very good with the camera only from the I'm using right now the iPad. So let's see. Let's try out the lens, the first lens. Whoa, difference is big. There's a huge difference. Let's see how we see the grid. Whoa, looks way bigger. Let's try the other grid, the smaller grid. So pretty good. Let's try it with 96 times zoom. Yeah, 144 and 240 zoom. Uh, Man, it's for what it is. It's actually really good. I'm really liking it. It looks really, really good. It's not perfect. It's not a microscope. This is a lens you put over the iPad or iPhone lens or any phone whatsoever. Doesn't have to be Apple. Let's see if you can guess what it is that I'm zooming in right now. Guess it? It's a paper towel. Let's try it out the other one. Let's see how it looks. Whoa. This is way, way, way large. Man, this is the smallest grid, and you can see it almost the size of the whole thing. Let's see the finger, my finger. You can almost see the cells on my finger. This is just crazy. Yes, this is my finger. Let's try something else. Believe it or not, this is the fibers of the paper towel. Yes, you can actually see the fibers. This lens is not so easy to handle, but it's amazing. Hope you liked the video. See you on the next one.